Greetings, my name is Miss Norris. Today I will be teaching a lesson on multiplication. Multiplication is combining equal groups together to find how many that you have in all. Today we'll be using the strategy called arrays. Arrays have equal rows and equal columns. In the previous lesson, you learned that a factor is the numbers that you multiply to get your answer for your multiplication problem. You also learned previously what a product is. A product is the answer to your multiplication problem. So in today's lesson, we're going to focus in on making arrays. And we're going to look at step by step, and we're going to do a few of them today to make sure that everyone is comfortable. I will be using manipulatives that are called counters. Now, you do not have to use counters. You can use Cheerios, you can use pennies, you can use dimes, anything that you can use to make equal rows and columns. I'm going to start off today with creating an array for 2 times 3. When you're creating an array, you must look at your factors, your first factor and your second factor. Your first factor will tell you how many that needs to be going down. Your second factor tells you how many are going across. And so in your array of 2 times 3, you have to have 2 counters going down. 1, 2. 2 going down. Then you'll have 3 counters that are going across. Your second factor is a 3. So that tells you that in each row, you need to have 3 counters. I always count the first one in the row. And this is already divided so that we can see our rows. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 going down and 3 going across. Our next thing, when you're trying to find the product to a multiplication sentence, you want to count how many you have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 times 3 is 6. Let's look at another one. Our next array that we're going to create to find the product is 3 times 3. 3 and the second 3 are going to be our factors. Our first factor tells us how many will be going down. So we have to create 3 counters going down. 1, 2, 3. 3 counters going down. In each one of my rows, I have to ensure that I have 3 going across. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In my next row, I have to continue because all my rows must be equal. 1, 2, 3. 3 going down, 3 going across. Next, I count how many I have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. As I'm doing this, you want to also follow me with your manipulatives. It will help make the process easier for you to understand arrays. We're going to move on to our next array. And our next array will be 4 times 2. So I'm going to remove my counters so that I can create 4 times 2. Remember, our first factor tells us how many there's going down. Since our first factor is 4, we will put 4 counters going down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. My second factor is 3. So in each row, I must have 3 counters. Already in a row, I only have 1. And so my goal is to put 3 in each row. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 more rows to go. 1, 2, 3. Next row, 1, 2, 3. And my last row, 1, 2, 3. Count how many counters you have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. Very good. Now that we looked at creating arrays, our next goal is looking at an array and being able to create a multiplication sentence. And so I'm going to create a few arrays for us today. And once I create those arrays, we're going to create a multiplication number sentence. So with the multiplication number sentence today, I'm going to place the arrays down. Pay attention. Now, when you're doing a multiplication sentence, you do it just the same way. You want to look at how many do you have going down, okay, in your columns. If you notice, each time you have the same amount going down. Going down, you have 2. That's your first factor. Going across is 4. That's your second factor. So you're at 2 times 4. For your product, you'll count how many you have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your multiplication sentence would be 2 times 4 equals 8.